In this video, we will learn how to fix Google Play Store error 910. So let's begin.
So to solve this error of Google Play Store error 910, just go and open your mobile settings. Once you are in your mobile settings, under the device, just go and tap on apps. And here wait for a while for screen to appear. Now in some of the cases you might have to tap on all apps. Once all apps appear, just scroll down below and search for Google Play Store. So here we have all apps, just go and search for Google Play Store. So here we have Google Play Store, tap on it. Now tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap OK, go back, tap on force stop, tap OK, now go back. Now search for Google Play Services. So here we have Google Play Services, tap on it. Now tap on storage. And here tap on clear cache. Tap on manage space. Now tap on clear all data. Tap OK. Now we have done so. Just go back, go to your home. And now open the Google Play Store. Hope the problem will be solved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.